My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 BMW 2 Series. This is the M Sport Edition. It has done just over 58,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our 6 main features, which include notifications, my vehicle, connected drive and navigation, communication, and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. We have 4 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.